everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about ceiling fan motor designs. This ceiling fan motor is designed for low profile residential use. What this is the ceiling fan is actually a little bit smaller. It's not going to move a ton of air around. It's designed for through the summertime to blow the air down, and that's through the flip of a switch right here. Blows the air down, which is clockwise. And then when it goes to winter time, you want to actually move the air up against the ceiling to help move that hot air down, and you flip the switch the other way, which will run it counterclockwise. That way you can save a little bit on your heating and cooling costs. The residential ceiling fan motors are designed to have 3 different speeds, a low, a medium, and high. Also, they're designed to keep the sound down so it's not real loud when you're running it. That way it's not real disturbing. With most residential ceiling fans, the motor is designed to fit into a casing like this. What this casing does is it reduces the sound that the motor actually produces when it's swinging the blades around. Also, it's nice and light, that way it's easy to install. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed ceiling fan motor designs. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.